in a swift response to devastating rainstorm that struck Ita Ogbolu, Akure North Local Government area of Ondo State. Governor Aiyedatiwa has inspected the level of damage caused by the unfortunate incident. Expressing his sympathy at the palace of Ogbolu of Ita Ogbolu, Governor Aiyedatiwa expressed shock on the news of loss of life during the incident. Acknowledging the unforeseen nature of such disasters, the governor extended his condolences to the bereaved family. He assured the people of the community that the State Emergency Management Agency, which is assessing the damage, will provide necessary assistance to the victims.
Ìjọba ó láti débí àwọn fojú wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ ká dẹ̀ bá àwọn aráàlú sọ̀rọ̀ ká tù wọ́n nínú. Àwọn tó ń darí ilé iṣẹ́ tó ń mójútó ètò irú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ pàjáwìrì báyìí náà ti ṣáájú wá síbí OSRC State Emergency Management Agency. Wọ́n ti lọ káàkiri. Àwọn náà máa ń kọ́ ṣe iṣẹ́ yẹn, wọ́n lọ kọ gbogbo ẹlẹ̀ ibi tí àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn dé, ilé tó wó. Mo fẹ́ fi dá yín lójú pé ìjọba ní ètò tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe sí àwọn ìlú bẹ́ẹ̀ àti àwọn tí ó bá fi ara pa tí wọ́n pàdánù ilé àti ohun àlùmọ́nì wọn mìíràn.
Aiyedatiwa emphasized government's readiness to address such emergencies and promised to act promptly upon receiving the detailed reports from the Emergency Management Agency.
Tó bá yẹ ká ṣe, tó bá ti gbé dé ọ̀dọ̀ ni, a máa fi ṣe tá fi máa ran àwọn aráàlú lọ́wọ́.
Highlighting the importance of preventive measures, Aiyedatiwa encouraged residents to plant more trees around their building facilities to mitigate the impact of future disasters.
What we can do as humans is to ensure that we plant trees in our environment. So I want to advise the residents of Ondo State, not just Ita Ogbolu, wherever you live, plant trees in your neighborhood, in your surroundings, so that it can reduce the effect of the wind whenever it comes. I want to encourage all of us to do so.
He expressed gratitude to the community and its traditional ruler for promoting peaceful coexistence. The Ogbolu of Ita Ogbolu, Oba Idowu Faborode, appreciated the governor's concern and show of love. From Ita Ogbolu in Akure North Local Government area of Ondo State, Wahab, Bankole, OSRC News.